ECOBOT Scrubber 50 is a fully autonomous floor scrubbing robot that uses artificial intelligence, LiDAR sensors, and advanced mapping technology to clean large indoor spaces automatically. It operates autonomously but can be monitored through a fleet management system. ECOBOT Scrubber 50 robot can perform cleaning tasks without human supervision. It follows scheduled cleaning routes and returns automatically to its workstation for charging and maintenance. Facility managers can monitor and control multiple robots through a centralized dashboard that provides cleaning reports and system updates. ECOBOT Scrubber 50 uses a combination of LiDAR sensors, 3D cameras, RGB cameras, and ultrasonic sensors. These technologies allow the robot to understand the environment and avoid obstacles. The integrated workstation allows the robot to recharge batteries, refill clean water, empty wastewater, and rinse its tanks. This ensures continuous cleaning operations with minimal human involvement.